Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into your TCL Tab 10L. Firstly, open Google application, this one. Now in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Here choose voice option and now go into voice match. Now here we got Hey Google option, so tap on the switcher to activate this option. Next up, need give access to your assistant, tap next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.